With agentic automation, we're taking those things one by one and replacing simple decisions where the cost of an error is very low and the decision is very easy, but not necessarily rules-based, with the agents to speed things up and to deliver the outcomes that we're looking for. Wesco is a Fortune 200 wholesale distribution company, which boils down to partnering with about 50,000 suppliers, working with hundreds of thousands of customers across multiple industries, across all the geographies. We immediately identified a niche for the UiPath that it already had things that we cared about and things that we really wanted to do. That's about saving time, bringing efficiencies, making sure that we can do faster, better, more accurately. Big part of that is orchestration. We do rely on UiPath orchestration a lot. I think it's a tremendous product. It's more about connecting things through the orchestration. So one bot finishes, maybe emails a person, maybe connects with a person via ticketing systems, maybe some other channels. Person replies, the next process gets started, and so forth. I think our focus will be primarily embedding Autopilot in teams and making sure that we're able to deliver our existing automations where our employees are. If they can just message somebody and something happens, that's all they're looking for. And it doesn't matter if it's a robot or a human. That's where we see the power of the Autopilot. We're not going to create a batch file and submit it to the automation. But if it's in Teams, you can just use English and say, here's what I want, and it will happen. With automation and AI, we see an interesting symbiotic relationship. We were early adopters of clipboard AI. You receive the file, you receive the PDF, maybe a quote, maybe a sales order, maybe an RFQ, whatever the document is. If you can just click one button to copy and another button to paste and it worked, you saved yourself 3-5 minutes every time you do that. It's a net positive event. We use UiPath Automation Hub. We harvest the ideas from any one of our 20,000+ employees. And as Gen AI took off, we saw a significant uplift on number of ideas submitted. And then we just triage those ideas and that becomes our pipeline. What we look at is a couple of things. One is how do we save employees time, but also it's about running the program to, again, be able to be the best customer to our suppliers, so we are the easiest to deal with, and freeing up the employees' time to do creative work also creates a much better working environment for the employees. I'll give a quick example. We had somebody who had to log into the system at 6 p.m. to run something every day. And the thought of really interfering with work-life balance and building a simple bot that does a couple of clicks that person had to do made her a much, much happier employee. And we've seen tremendous results. We're saving hundreds of thousands of hours every year. So as we picked UiPath, we've been extremely happy with it.